Hey everyone, Chris Murphy at Fastek. I want to take a moment to tell you why we're putting on the Cyber Defense Workshop. We're doing it to help small business. And by helping those small businesses, we help the community. Statistics show that only about 14% are even partially prepared for an attack. We also know that about 75% of small businesses will not survive after a cyber attack. So that's why we want to put this on for free, so we can help our small business owners and managers understand what their risk is, help them protect their business, and help them overcome their IT challenges. We're going to give them tips, tricks, and strategies to achieve those kind of things. They'll walk away with a to-do list and they can get started on right away. So continue to share these posts and these videos so we can impact as many small businesses in our community as possible. I hope to see you on September the 4th at the Owensboro Convention Center for the Cyber Defense Workshop.